Now I'll be showing you how you can take advantage of occasional trends like a seasonal trends. I'll be showing you with one keyword like best kept ideas. This is the keyword which most probably been searched only in the occasions, and I'll show you how. If you click onto the past 5 years and get the worldwide data, you can see that the trend this best keyword ideas has been searched starting from the first week of November. The highest searches has been done between the December midweek, and the search gone down after the January first week. You can see this all data from the past 5 years that it is showing that the trend has been continued, and from November first week to the end of the January first week. So this is the consistent data, so you can rely on it, and you can say that in this year and coming year also this trend will be followed up, and according to that you can prepare your strategies, any product launching also, or write any blog or produce any video based on this keyword.